Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news that the sale of UDC may be off. Firstly, however, Wall Street has taken over the mantle of a bubble frenzy. The S&P 500 is up more than 1% to a new all-time high. Other markets are similar. Tax cut prospects that favour wealthy Americans and companies are behind the euphoria. John McCain has said he will vote for them. Also helping is that US personal income rose strongly in October, up 2.8% from the same period a year ago. Meanwhile, US personal consumption expenditure is up 1.6% over the same period. And the US President is nominating Marvin Goodfriend, an economics professor, to one of the Fed's vacancies. Last night, the Bank of Korea raised its base rate for the first time since May 2011. It was an increase of 25 basis points from a record low 1.25%. In Germany, their jobless rate fell to 5.3%, and the number of people in employment rose strongly, up 650,000 in a year to 44.7 million. In Australia, there are reports that the sale by ANZ of UDC to HNA is on the rocks. They cite a tougher OIO stance, HNA's issues, and the fact that no one else is prepared to pay the premium HNA offered. The end game is that ANZ will likely keep UDC, no doubt pleasing David Hisco greatly. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year yield is still rising, is now at 2.43%. That is a very strong rise and back to levels we haven't seen since March. And the price of crude oil has firmed overnight, now just over $57 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is just over $63.50 a barrel. OPEC and the Russia-led group of big oil producers has agreed to keep limiting their output through the end of 2018. The price of gold is down another $11 to $1,211 an ounce. And the Kiwi dollar is also down. We are now down to 68.5 US cents. On the cross rates, we're at 90.5 Aussie cents, and against the euro, 57.6 euro cents. That puts the TWI back at 71.3. And Bitcoin is sharply lower today, down now to $9,587, which is $1,570 below its peak of a day ago. Such huge volatility now just seems normal for Bitcoin. And you might note that the cryptocurrencies actually never closed on a daily session above $10,000. I'm David Chaston. That was a 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.